My friend chose a bad time to pick a fight with me because I was working on an observation of how easy it is to make people anthropomorphize objects. When the fight was over, I had already thought of how I was going to revenge myself. I was going to bring the food in her fridge to life. Very simply and very easily. By giving them eyes and names. I brought her food to life. That's Jagdish and Momo. Not ketchup and mustard, but Avery. What's your name, buddy? Howard. That's Howard. Now, when she first saw these, she laughed. She was delighted. She said it was like she was living in Pee-wee's Playhouse now. But that wasn't the revenge. The revenge will begin when she realizes she doesn't have the heart to eat her own food. Or to throw it out as it begins to rot. That's Jerry and Lance. There's Rick. Oh, and Ginny. Ginny. Not hot sauce, Ginny. And there's the family. Ha 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 ha.